Data center proxies are fast and cost-effective, but are they the right choice when compliance and scale are on the line? Let's find out. Data center proxies route requests through IPs hosted on cloud servers and data centers. Unlike residential or mobile proxies, they allow you to manage large volumes of traffic without depending on individual internet connections. As such, there are several important advantages of data center proxies to keep in mind. These include high speeds powered by servers with premium hardware and top-tier internet connections, reliability hosted on servers that are almost never offline, ensuring consistent performance, cost efficiency, procured and managed easily at scale, and scalability designed to provide quick access to thousands of IPs on demand. But the lack of connection via residential internet service providers also creates some limitations. So what exactly are the disadvantages of data center proxies to consider? Easier to detect and block, as they are not associated with real IP addresses, and limited geodiversity, as they usually offer fewer locations compared to residential IP pools. So when does using data center proxies make the most sense for your business? Let's break down the 5 best use cases for data center proxies. Number 1. High-volume data scraping. When scale is a priority, data center proxies deliver the speed and consistency you need. With their raw performance, they're ideal for large-scale data collection on sites that allow automated access. This means you can run hundreds or thousands of requests in parallel without bottlenecks, maintain continuous pipelines with stable, predictable performance, and reduce infrastructure strain by offloading heavy scraping to proxies. And here's another major advantage: most data center proxies come with unlimited bandwidth. That means you don't have to worry about overage costs when handling terabytes of requests. If you're running continuous scrapers or massive data pools, this will keep operations predictable and cost-efficient at scale. Number 2. SEO monitoring and keyword tracking. Search visibility changes fast. To keep up, you need scalable tracking that doesn't break under load. Data center proxies make this possible by providing fast, repeatable SERP collection at scale, reliable concurrent queries without IP bans or captures, real-time keyword and ranking insights you can act on instantly. With data center proxies, you're not just gathering data, you're running SEO intelligence at enterprise scale. Number 3. Load testing and QA in staging environments. Simulating real-world traffic is essential for preparing apps, APIs, and websites for production. Data center proxies give you the scale and consistency required to stress test systems under heavy distributed traffic, eliminate bias from a single IP source, pinpoint bottlenecks before they impact customers. It's the difference between guessing and knowing your systems are production ready. Number 4. E-commerce price and product tracking. Competitive pricing is a moving target. With high-performance data center proxies powering your tracking tools, you can monitor global marketplaces continuously, detect regional pricing variations in real time, respond instantly to competitor promotions or stock changes. The result? Smarter pricing strategies and sharper market intelligence backed by uninterrupted, scalable data collection. And number 5. Task automation and scheduling at scale. From multi-account workflows to scheduled data pools, large-scale automation only works if your infrastructure can keep up. Data center proxies keep automation smooth by letting you avoid rate limits and throttling, maintain consistent IP identity for long-running workflows, run background reporting, data pools, and browser scripts seamlessly. This turns automation into a reliable growth engine, keeping workflows consistent, minimizing risk of interruptions, and ensuring every process runs smoothly at scale. One more thing to keep in mind about data center proxies is that not all of them are created equal. Some are shared across multiple users, making them more affordable but also slower and much easier to detect. Others are dedicated or reserved just for you, providing cleaner IP reputation, higher performance, and more reliable long-term results. Data center proxies aren't a one-size-fits-all solution, but in the right workflows, whether SEO, load testing, or large-scale data aggregation, they can boost infrastructure efficiency while staying cost-effective. If reliable, dedicated data center traffic is critical to your infrastructure, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you design a proxy strategy that scales with your goals.